Without wasting time, let's get started. Before going further, if you are new to this channel, then kindly subscribe to my channel so that you can receive many more interesting videos like this. I am waiting for you. Subscribe! Are you done? Okay, let's get started. First of all, open your browser and type humanatic.com and open that website. Website homepage look like this. Here you have to sign up first. After pressing sign up, you may be redirected to PayPal sign in. If you are from Pakistan, then you must check my another video of how to make PayPal account in Pakistan. When you're done, you have to log in. These are the categories on which you can work. These are all the categories. Let's say we open inventory discussion. Now listen to the call carefully. The instructions related to this category are opened by clicking this icon. These are the instructions for this category. Now after listening the call, you have to choose one option and submit the call. And that's it. I hope this video will be informative for you. If you have any query or question about this website, I will provide you information. So that's it for today, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.